Welcome to the greatest magic show you'll ever see. 1 minute you see brown, and right before your eyes, magic can appear. Let's try that again. Abracadabra. Now who is ready for the magic show? It's going to be fantastic.
We are ready for the magic show. Front row seats, couldn't have asked for anything better. I can't wait to see Gabby's magic.
Okay, everyone, to start this magic, let's get our magic glasses on. Yes? Now, let's transform our hair into something fun and colorful. Maybe I'll do an outfit change too. Oh, this is looking good. Wait, we have a special magical guest today to finish off the surprise. If magic weren't my middle name, you wouldn't know who I am. But it's me, Nat, and I love magic. How much do you love magic? Essie, rough landing there. Nat, I came to see the show. I heard you and Gabby are doing a magic show. Oh, we sure are, and I can't wait to show you what we've been practicing. Hello? Can you see me? It's me, Sprinkles. I want to see the show too. Let's take a seat in the stands and see what Gabby and Nat have prepared for us. Woohoo! Now let me use my magic and help Gabby out. Make this room super magical. Magic sparkles everywhere. Sparkles, here it comes. Whoosh! Whoa! It's Magic Microwave. I am going to shrink Nat, Essie, and Sprinkles the Bear and turn them into stickers. Whoa! How's Gabby going to do that? I don't even fit in the microwave. And look, Gabby is so small compared to me. No problem, my friends. With simple math, I can transform you into anything. Watch this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nat and Essie. This is Nat, and we are using simple math to do some magic. We are going to turn Nat, Essie, and Sprinkles into stickers using math. But how does that work? I will show you. Let's open up our microwave. Now we're going to use simple math. Nat's favorite number is the number 1. If we add 1 plus 1 and put it inside of our microwave, whoa! We get a burst of energy. Now, let's close up our math equation and think of the answer. Here we go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Look! There's something inside. I think we got the math equation right. Whoa! We turned Nat into a bunch of sticker heads. This is really funny. How many gnats did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, that was magical. Let's try it again. This time, I have a magic box. I'm placing it inside of our magic microwave and adding some math inside. Essie's favorite number is the number 2. If we put 2 plus 2 together, we get the number 4. Hey, I think it worked. Let's take a peek inside. We turned Essie into stickers using math. And look, hers even is 2 plus 2 equals 4. We have 4 Essie stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa! Let's close it up. And who's next?
I can't believe how good they are at magic. I didn't know the better I was at math, the more magic I can do, and the more I'll know. We want to practice some math too. I can't wait to see what number Sprinkles is.
Well, Nat, Essie, and myself are best friends. Nat, 1, Essie, 2, myself, 3. 3 is my favorite number. Okay, 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Magic, magic number 6. Whoa, look! We turned Sprinkles into stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Sprinkles stickers just by using simple math. That was really fun. Okay, hope you enjoyed my magic show. Time to get back to reality. Abracadabra! Woohoo! Let's practice math again next week, okay?